This definitely looks like some kind of alien pistol or alien gun, right? Definitely. Okay, let's check what else we have. So this is definitely the most useful one. The manual. Now where's this? Okay. Of course. This bag is really cheap. Really cheap. I mean, I don't know how many weeks this is gonna survive, but this is definitely cheap. Oh, come on, Tusa. What is this? This is a shitty bag, man. Really shitty bag. Now, talking about this. Let's see. To open this, you need to just it towards your left. I'll show it again. Oops, no, not this way. Yeah, like that. You see these markings? Those markings. So that's the lock, right? So towards left and open. That's it. And here is the filter. That looks like the Apple trash can. Yeah. So, yeah. So this is the dual filter. My previous one had only one. This one. Yeah. So I think this is something that they added later on in this model. Okay. We'll just put it back. Yeah, that's how it sounds. So just to power it on, press it once, and there is the second mode. Let's tap it one more time. Press and hold to power it off. And if you're wondering, here is the Type-C charging port. Thank you, Tusa. Thank you. Now with this space pistol, I'm gonna fire all this dust on this nasty carpet. Oh, whatever. So the doormat, the foot mat. So just the mat, right? Whatever it is. So let's check the first mode. Wow, that's impressive. Now let's check with the powerful mode. Is that what it's called? Whatever, it doesn't matter, right? Yeah. Wow, that's impressive. Wow, that's fantastic, man. I mean, the suction power is really good with this motor. So, so my impression on this thing is amazing. I mean, like the suction power, the motor is too powerful, and I really, really like the suction power. And to be honest, this is more powerful than the previous version that I had. So, I mean, I think this is just a blind buy, man. I mean, just go ahead and buy this. So if you need, there's a link in the description. Just go ahead and buy this. Cool. I really love this design, man. Like.